Hey guys, this is Deepak and welcome to the Tech Particle channel. This is the 8th video of tutorial series C++ programming series. In this video, we will mainly deal with the topic decision making statement or control structure in C++ programming. This is a simple program that we have seen several times. One thing in these programs are that they are of sequential nature, means the first statement, after the first statement the second statement will be executed, and after the second it will all goes in a sequential manner. But what if we don't need the same sequence? If we need some another sequence, say after statement 1 we want statement 3, then after statement 3 we want statement 2, or say if we want any condition to apply that, then how we should approach. So for that we need some control structure that they can control our execution. Means that we want something that if that condition is true, then only thus the statement is executed. So how we should approach? What are the methods through which we can approach to this problem? And another problem with sequential form is that if we want something to execute for several number of times, then we are bound to write it several number of times, as number of times as we want to specify. Say I want to write take particle for 5 number of times, or say 10 number of times. So in every statement, I have to write cout take particle, cout take particle. So I will have to write 10 times the same piece of code. So it will be a tiresome work to do this, as it is taking enough space and also our time. So to cope up with these problems, we take the help of control structures. Now we will see what type of control structures are there. These are the same problem that I have highlighted right now. So now we come to the control structure part. The classification of control structures. Simply, control structure are of two types: simple control structures and function. Function, we can also take functions, whatever the thing that we want to execute we can write in a function, and then we can call that function. We will see this function part later, but right now just focus on the simple control structure. Simple control structure consists of two parts: conditional and loops. Conditional statements, as the name suggests, conditional, that is executed when the condition is true, and it is not executed when the condition is false. And loops, these loops will help us to cope up with the problem of writing a same piece of code for a several number of times. Loops are very much helpful in writing the code. Loops are of three types: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. We will see one by one how these conditional statements and loops work in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned with the Tech Particle, subscribe to our channel, and like this video, and comment down your feedback. Thank you.